Damn. Are you listening?
Actually, I have AT&T Fiber optic internet. It's really fast. Most times, I usually get between 280 up and 280 down. It's usually the same up and down. So we are 373.5 download. And we are 248 upload. So that's pretty good. They just sent me some Wi-Fi extender. It comes free with, just in case that you in an area where, or in your house, and you don't have enough bandwidth to go in all the rooms and go through all the walls if you are up and downstairs and stuff like that. So they sent me two Wi-Fi extender, and these came in for free, and here they are. We're gonna connect both. We're gonna connect the Wi-Fi extender. It comes with the power and the internet cord. We're gonna we're right next to our router. We're gonna plug this in right here. First thing you want to do, and you want to plug that boy right behind in the power outlet. Power switch right here. So you're gonna push it in. So the power is on, and you want to wait for about 5 minutes for the 2G and the 5G to start blinking. So that's gonna take a little while. So we'll let that go on for now. In the meantime, let's do the second one, so we can probably do the both at the same time. It's gonna take that long. So we're gonna plug this one in. Power is on, and we will wait while the two of them connect to. It should automatically connect to the 2G and 5G. On the router right here, we have a button. So we're gonna press it in. You can see it light it up to green. And on this one here, same WPS button, we're gonna press it in. The two green lights are blinking right now. They should turn solid when they're connected. I don't know if you can see them, but they are both blinking right now. Look like this one is connected, and it just turned solid too. So now we need to find places where to put these away from the hub. You want to place them away from microwave, away from anything that will cause interference, and in a it will work best in open areas. So we're gonna find some places to put them.
Damn. Are you listening?